Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and I'm just finishing up my day at Universal Studios Florida, giving you updates, showing you some new merchandise. I gave a restaurant a second chance. Let's see if they redeemed themselves. And I shared an opinion I forgot to share about Halloween Horror Nights in the last video. But before I get too far ahead of myself, let's go back to the start of my day and see how it all went down. Anyways, here's what's happening right now at Universal Studios Florida. I'm recording this on September 3rd. That means we're running out of time to see Jaws in the movie theater. September 4th is the last day to see it at Universal Cinemark. It's the movie theater here in Citywalk. The Starbucks location in Citywalk, still under renovation. I'll let you know when that is completed. It shouldn't be long now. A little HHN Halloween Horror Nights theming added to Citywalk. The Crow's Nest. A Child's Play Chucky hoodie right here. This is new for $70. It has matching sweatpants too. Let me double check the price of these. $55 for the sweatpants. A Chucky's bag for $75. $27 for the mug. You have the red one here and the gray one above it. The Chucky Love Hurts t-shirt, $33. Chucky and Tiff forever. This bag is $45, while this one down here is $60. Well, this is pretty cool. For $65. When it's like this, it's a pillow. But then you can take the blanket out of it. It's a pillow and a blanket. Not all at the same time. You have to choose one or the other. Added a set of benches by the splash pad here. That way mom and dad or whomever can sit on the bench and watch their kid play on the splash pad. They have a few different merchandising kiosks here in Citywalk for Halloween Horror Nights merchandise, as well as HHN merchandise inside the actual store. It's like they don't even need the tribute store. This is my first non-HHN visit the studios in a while. I almost forgot about all the construction happening here for the Ride Rocket Replacement ride. That's all the dirt being moved. Where that little loop-de-loo used to be. They're not gonna mess around. I think we're gonna have this ride open, I don't know, sometime in 27. I was about to say, oh look, another Chucky merchandising booth, but no, this one is a Hello Kitty merchandising booth. With that quick look at Citywalk behind us, into the theme park. Considering it's after Labor Day, it should be a pretty quiet day in the park. Although tonight is a Halloween Horror Nights night. Despicable Me Minion Mayhem is a 15-minute wait. Its little cousin across the street, a 5-minute wait for Minion Blast. I need to step into the Tonight shop for my free Passholder magnet and button. Let's go see what it's about. They have rearranged the shop a little bit. While I'm here, I'll show you the exclusive Passholder Appreciation Day merchandise and discount. I like this style of that they're using for this, looking like it's a Polaroid picture. Is anything on the back? Yes, there's something on the back. So let's flip it around. Regular price is $33, but it's with the Appreciation Days it's $30. But I like the Polaroid pictures. Same deal with the tank top here. Gave you the discount, the Appreciation Days pricing, but I like the styling of Polaroid pictures. There's the jacket I mentioned, the back of it. There's the front. I like this color green, kind of like that army green. The tumbler. I love the retro look, like I said. Magnet. Did we see the price of this one? It's like a wall hang. Did they mention that? Anyways, it's 20 bucks. Regular pricing. What else? The what is this? To carry like a it's to carry a freestyle cup. And then here's another tank top over here. But anyways, here is my free Passholder magnet. It's an ET magnet. Awesome. And then the button, or I should say, yes, a button. I always get confused. What's a button? What's a pin? This is a button. A niffler button. Free for Passholders. Those are available while supplies last here at the Tonight Shop or at the Passholder Lounge in Toon Lagoon at Islands of Adventure. The Rip Ride Rocket Loop and Lift are still here, but I tell you what, when they finally tear these two elements down, it's going to look so weird over here on the side of the park. I was making my way back to Hollywood Boulevard when some things caught my eye inside of Super Silly Stuff. The Minions Halloween merch is now available. The orange t-shirt is $27. The Bob and Tim knit cap is $25. The mug is $27. It's a Minion as a ghost for Halloween. The purple sweatshirt is $55 for the sweatshirt. A child size only shirt, $23. $55 for the child size only hoodie. Black, that's the back of it right there. And there's the front, and it's zip up the front as well. So there you go. Maybe as we mosey around the park, I'll find a cheap lunch. Something new on Hollywood Boulevard. This was just set up. See the umbrella here? The velvet rope at this bench? This is for the family of the day to view the parade. And I think that like today's the first day they're doing it. The thing is, I don't know how they pick the family of the day for that. I did ask some people, some team members walking around. They didn't know either. They're like, they just set it up. We don't know yet. The last time I ate at Mel's, I was disappointed. Let's see how they do today. This is the chili cheese hot dog. Quarter pound, 100% beef hot dog sliced with grilled chopped onions, chili and cheese sauce on a poppy seed bun. And I'll say this, it looks the part. It looks like a proper chili cheese dog. All done with my lunch, and ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. A winner for the messiest meal I've ever had at Universal. It was so messy, but it was good. The hot dog was legit. A lot of flavor in that all beef hot dog. Very cheesy. I enjoyed the chili was good too. I had some questions if I was gonna like the poppy seed bun. It worked. It all worked together. It was a delicious, hot mess of a meal, but I enjoyed it today. Inside of DreamWorks Land, I can see from here, construction walls are still around the splash pad. So that's still closed. Inside of Springfield, Dufftoberfest has returned, and it will be here as long as the beer is here. So that depends on you guests. The quicker you drink the beer, the quicker it goes away. Let's see if it will make it all the way to New Year's Eve though. Duff, they've replaced all the beer lines so everything pours real well now. We think after Halloween Horror Nights, they're actually going to get a new bar and also new fans for inside the bar. I was going to show you the prices of the Dufftoberfest beer and the snacks that they have for Dufftoberfest, but they took the sign away and put it under the bar because the prices were wrong. Can you guess which way they were wrong? They were too low. It doesn't show the price increase, so they had to take that away. I guess if you can just go ask for something and they'll tell you the price, but I guess eventually they'll get the new price board for the Dufftoberfest pricing of the beer and the food. The restrooms right outside of London has reopened. I believe they opened premium night of HHN, but they are open now for everyone to use. Smells like a new car in there. I'm kidding, it does not smell like that. Here in London, this fencing's been up for a while, so I assume they're doing some type of, or going to do some type of concrete work or flooring work. But this fence has been up for several days now. So currently, there's just one way in and one way out of Diagon Alley. Look at all the phones out to capture the fire from the dragon. We're about 1 minute away from that happening, so let me capture it too. And this is one of the stages used by the Death Eaters at nighttime during this HHN season. I have to say, Universal upped the ante when it comes to the Death Eaters this year. Their performances are more performative. I would also like to note while in Diagon Alley that Wands by Gagorovich, it's been closed for a while now. I don't know what's happening. Doesn't look like any renovation happening yet. The wands are still in there, but it's been closed for some weeks now. The wait time for Escape from Gringotts is just 25 minutes. Earlier today I was at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Rise of the Resistance was only 35 minutes. If you're not subscribed to my Disney channel, please take a moment to do so. There's a link to it in the description box. It's called Rix Q. Get in line for a good time on Rix Q. We live stream from Disney parks every morning. It's super fun there because I'm allowed to live stream on the rides. Come check us out, Rix Q. The Black Phone 2, I did not see the first one. Should I watch the first one? Is it a good horror movie? Is it a good scary movie? Let me know in the comment section below. What time is Haunt-O-Phonic tonight? We've got people in the lagoon there working on the fountains. Hopefully they get it all fixed in time for the first show tonight. Haunt-O-Phonic, the HHN fountain show. In my HHN reaction video, I forgot to share my opinion on this year's Halloween Horror Nights tribute store. I'll do that right now. I think Universal Creative did as best they could with the budget they had, which apparently was a lot smaller this year. They had to reuse a lot of props from like Poseidon's Fury and the Sahara Traders Mummy Gift Shop. I fear that the golden age of tribute stores is behind us. We'll see how that is when it comes to the Mardi Gras tribute store though. But I think what we've seen in the past is done. I think we're looking at, in the future, the level of a tribute store we have right now this year, unless they decide to do away with them altogether, which I could see happening. Sort of a scaled down version of what we had in the past, similar to what we have this year, would be the future going forward if they decide to continue with tribute stores. There's lots of pockets around studios and Citywalk with HHN merchandise. Don't know that the HHN store is necessary, you know, but it looks like they're putting a lot of money into the houses themselves. So would I be so sad if this is the new normal for a tribute store, or if they went away altogether? Probably not, probably not. I mean, when they're done right, they're really, really cool, but ultimately they're just a store. And as long as they keep doing right by the haunted houses, I'll be just fine, I'll be happy. But with that being said, no skimping on the scare zones either. Put the money into the houses and into the scare zones. I don't want to see the scare zones kind of get skimped on like the tribute store did, but we'll see how that goes. As long as we have good scare zones and amazing houses like we do this year, everything's gonna be all right. But you tell me what you think. Tell me your opinion in the comment section below. Are you disappointed in this year's HHN tribute store? Are you satisfied with it? Would you be okay with scaled down tribute stores going forward? Or if they went away altogether, would you be okay with that? Tell me what you think in the comment section below. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you next time.